How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys the best way to add and integrate Google Analytics over to your WordPress domain or WordPress website. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first two things that we need to get out of the way first is we want to make sure that we're logged into both our WordPress account and our Google Analytics account as an administrator. So once we have both dashboards open, like so, here I am. You want to head over to WordPress and look for the plugins tab. So it's the one under appearance if you navigate to the left hand side of your screen, and from here you want to click on add a new plugin. Now this will take you to the plugins and tools page that can integrate with WordPress. So from here you want to click on the search bar and type down SiteKit. So SiteKit is an official plugin made by Google that includes integrations and functions for Google Analytics, the Search Console, Google AdSense, and Google Speed. Now, to actually use it is quite simple. You guys want to click on it, head over to the store page, and make sure it's installed. Now, I already have it installed, so that's pretty cool. So if you have it installed, you want to go to installed plugins, so we can manage our plugin for SiteKit. So from here, I'm going to keep scrolling down, and here it is. So you guys want to click on SiteKit, and then you want to click on Google. You want to click on View Details. Actually, that was the wrong page. So let's go back to the dashboard here, and you want to navigate to SiteKit. So it's this one right here. Click on Dashboard, and you'll see right away that there's an option to connect your WordPress domains and website with Google Analytics. So you want to make sure that this is checked, and then you want to sign in with Google, and sign in your Google account that's tied to your Analytics account. So in this case, it's my company, Core Dynamics. So you want to log in, give it permission, continue, and make sure that all of these are checked, like so, and continue. Now it's going to migrate the data over from your website and Google Analytics over to WordPress. So we're just going to get through this verification process, and we should be done soon. Allow. Here we are. This is what we're looking for, the measurement ID or the tracking ID. Click on next. And we're all done. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.